Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I will be making stiletto nails on my right hand as suggested by one of you, and we're gonna make it with Polygel. So first things first, we're gonna push back our cuticles on all of the nails using this cuticle pusher. And then we're going to use the opposite end to scrape off the dead skin on the cuticle area. After doing that to all of the nails, we're going to use a nail drill with a thin nail bit to clean the cuticles further. This does not hurt, just don't put too much pressure on the nail drill. I'm using my non-dominant hand, so it's a bit harder to control how much pressure to put, but since I've done it multiple times now, I'm getting more used to it. As you can see, I'm using my ring finger to hold the nails on my right hand. It helps me to control the filing better. And then after that, we're gonna file the surface of the nails. This just helps the Polygel to adhere better. And also don't forget to put a coat of nail dehydrator and primer. I'm using this Rosalind kit, but if you don't have one, you can use acetone and alcohol as an alternative. We're going to apply the dehydrator first. And then the primer. I'm gonna be using tips today, so we need to find our sizes. I chose nail tips instead of nail forms because I think it would be easier for me with the shaping. You're gonna have to file the tips first into a stiletto shape so that we will have a guide on where to put the Polygel and do less filing later on. After picking out my sizes, we're gonna glue it down on our nails. What I do is I push down the tips for like 5 seconds and then push down on the sides as well. And now we're gonna shape the tips into stiletto. This is the big difference of using nail tips instead of nail forms. You'll have to file and shape the tips into the shape that you want before putting the Polygel, while on nail forms, you're gonna file the sculpted Polygel. On the next video, I will be explaining more about the differences of nail tips and nail forms, what's beginner friendly, and what I prefer, just to share to you guys so you'll have an idea what to pick, because it really depends on the person and which one they're more comfortable using. So after we shape the tips, we're going to file the surface of the tips as well. And since we're using Polygel, we need to put a layer of base coat. And let's cure that for 60 seconds. I will be using this clear Polygel on my index and thumbnails. I haven't done a lot of stiletto shaped nails before. I think I've only done it once or twice because my go-to shape is coffin. It's my favorite, but today I want to try something different, and that's stiletto. It's known for its sharp pointy edge. The difference of it from almond is the sharpness. Stiletto is sharper than almond because almond has more of a tapered round edge. So after doing the index and thumb, we're gonna rub some alcohol to remove the sticky layer, and what I'm gonna do with the rest of the fingers is put a clear Polygel mixed with gel polish. So I'll be putting clear Polygel that's enough for 3 nails and put some drops of gel polish to have some color. I chose black because I think it's sophisticated to have black stiletto nails. And then we're going to mix it all together. And then we're gonna put that first on our middle finger. Just like before when I tried mixing clear with gel polish, the consistency changed and it got softer and it sticks more to the brush than the polygel alone, but it's still workable and not that hard to place. This is after putting the polygel on all of the nails. We're also gonna rub some alcohol on the other fingers. And now we can file and shape the nails because it got a little bulky and we need to crispen up the side to show the sharp edge. After filing and buffing the nails, this is what it looks like. We're gonna paint the index and thumb with black gel polish. And then we're gonna put on some top coat on the others to see the difference, and it's very obvious that the gel polish stands out more because of the black gel glossy finish, unlike the mixed polygel where you can see some white spots from the filing. But I still like how the mixed polygel turned out. It looks like it has a glitter finish to it when I apply the top coat. I also want to put some crystals, so I'm gonna be using a clear builder gel to glue them on. And without curing, I'm gonna put a layer of top coat, then place the crystals. After putting all the crystals, we're gonna apply some cuticle oil. So this is what it looks like. This makes me think that I need to do more stilettos in the future. These shapes look so sophisticated, especially with the black color and the gold beads. So I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making this one. So please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.